Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video is gonna discuss force push, right? So how to enable force push in Intellij Idea and what is the exact scenario that we required force push, right? So this is a continuation of Intellij Idea with Git series where we have covered a lot of videos with Intellij Idea and Git, right? So we'll perform different kind of Git operation in Intellij Idea, right? So let's discuss. Okay, so let me tell you where exactly we're gonna use force push, right? Suppose we do have local repository and remote repository. Okay, we do have 5 commits, 1 2 3 4 5 commits, both in local and remote. Okay, so for example, here you can see in Fibonacci series this is a git repo, and I do have currently 3 commits I do have. So here 1 2 3 commits are there, and this is remote repository, and you can see, and in local repository also I do have 3 commits, right? Code formatted, added, class level comment, uh, Fibonacci series initial commit, right? So what we're gonna do? So I just deleted this 2 commit, right? So this 5, sorry, my bad. This 5, this 4, and this 3. Suppose I have deleted. Okay. Now what I want to I want to push this thing. I want to push these things to remote, right? So from local you have removed some commit and you want to push those changes to remote repository, right? So that time what it will happen, this 5 4 3, right? So all these things will be getting deleted, and there will be only 1 and 2 commits, right? So it will be removed these things, and it will be like this. So that time while pushing these changes from local to remote, we need force push. Okay, so let's see this one and how to enable this force push button in Intellij Idea. That one also we're gonna see, right? So here let me delete these first 2 commits, right? So I want from this commit I want my code base should be. So here if you see reset current branch to here, I have done this one, and I have done that hard reset so that it will delete all those changes. Let's do this one. Okay, all those changes done. Okay, now what we can do, I just want to push these changes, right? So vcs git and push is there, and here if you see one force push option is there, but that one is grayed out, right? It's not coming properly, it's grayed out, right? How to enable that one? So go to file, and here setting, and from settings if you see version control, right? So expand version control, and from here git. So here if you see protected branches, so it's a master branch, right? So master branch is a protected branch. Here we have configured, that means uh, if you force push something, then it will override your remote repository, and you will gonna lose those commits, right? So that's why here those protected branches are mentioned over here, right? So let's remove this master branch from here and apply. Okay, good. Now if we'll do vcs git and push here, force push. Okay, so it's pushing. Let's wait for some time. Done. Just see, in log currently we do have only single commit, and all those rest of those code got removed, right? So whatever those code were there in those commits, those codes got removed, right? So here currently we do have only single commit. Now let's see in that remote repository, right? So earlier remote repository 3 commits were there. Now let's refresh that one and we're gonna see. Okay, just see, here only single commit is present over here in that remote repository as well, right? So hope you got a clear idea that what exactly force push and what is the scenario we'll use force push, right? And I have explained how to enable that force push button in Intellij Idea. So again I am showing here VCS, not VCS, file, setting, where is setting, and here version control and git. Just remove the protected branch from here and it will gonna appear that button. Okay, so hope this video will be helpful to people. Please do like, share, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side, right? So thank you for watching.